friends, how are you doing? I hope you're well. I'm back here to show you my 30 years old unboxing gift part 2. The first part was my Birkin 30 unboxing. I will link it down below in the description if you want to have a look, and I'll give you the video at the end of this one. These gifts come from Vincent. So the first one is here. It was pre-order. Guess you know what it is. Murakami Cherry Collection. I have another bag that Vincent offered me for my gift birthday, and I have this thing. It's not my birthday gift, but I wanted to explain a little bit. These are shoes that melted. Okay, I'm gonna explain, etc. So the first one I'm gonna unbox with you. I just got the white bag because I didn't want the normal bag. I throw them away, everything. So this is the first time I have one like this because I never had these accessories before. Always wanted to have one. Vincent has one, and I don't know. I'm actually happy that I waited because. Okay, so this is a passport holder from Louis Vuitton and Murakami Cherry Collection. I'm super excited because this is one of my favorite collab of all time with Louis Vuitton. The first one that I prefer is League of Legends. I had the Neverfull of this collection, and this one, the Cherry Collection. I really liked also the Neverfull, the Speedy 20. I'm not a Speedy girl, but this Speedy 20 was very, very nice. And the Keepall in jean. I'm not a denim girl as well, but the one in denim are beautiful. Voilà. So this is the first gift that he offered me for my birthday. So it went, we went to pick it up a little bit after my birthday because it was pre-order, and the launch was 22nd of May. So we went 21st of May to get it. It has arrived in store. Okay, now the second gift that he offered me is a beautiful Celine bucket bag, the small one. For the little backstory of this bag, we have with Vincent a pre-loved luxury resale platform. So we do take everything under consignment, and it's been like lots of months since I'm seeing like these bucket bag from Celine that I really, really enjoy. Actually, I'm showing them to you, I'm selling them to you, and I actually really like this type of bag. He always told me like, it's on my wish list, one day I want one. We received this one, and this one was like, do you want to give it? I was like, so he decided to offer me this bag as well for my 30 years old birthday. So I'm very excited because it's so cute. I can change the size of the strap. It's adjustable, and this is not too much carrying luxury. So it's good because it's also a little bag that I can carry everywhere with me. If I don't want to wear like a huge luxury bag, I can close it like this. It's not too big. I really hesitated in terms of size, but this one is actually perfect. I can fit my DJ Osmo pocket, phone, a wallet, my sunglasses, my keys, and everything that I need, a little scarf. So this was actually the perfect size, and I can carry a lot without being, without having too much, around me. I'm not super tall, so this is also a very good size for my type of body. So this is the two gifts that I received from Vincent. I'm super happy about them because they are very cute. The Celine one, I already used it. The Louis Vuitton, not yet, but we are leaving very soon for Marrakesh. So we are going with my family and friends of my family. So it's going to be super nice. We are going also with friends that I haven't seen forever, and we are friends since we were born. Actually, our parents were friends, and we already knew each other forever, and we haven't catch up for a long time. So I'm very excited to see them again. It's gonna be like a very good moment, family and friends time. And this is our first time in Marrakesh, so I hope I'm gonna enjoy. It's gonna be super hot, guys. It's gonna be insane. Let's see if we enjoy the city. We're gonna rest and work. Of course, we cannot go anywhere without working, as this is our own business and we have so much to do. I have much more to tell you, lots of news. So for those who doesn't know me, I'm Margot and I'm a bag lover. I do have this YouTube channel in English, but I have also a French one that is much older. I do have my own platform where I sell luxury pre-loved bags with my fiancé Vincent. He also has a business where he kind of is a media agency for the yacht industry, the boat yachting industry. and is also helping people to rent and buy and sell boats, like helping brokers too, of course, kind of affiliation terms and so on. So I'm sometimes helping him, but not too much. This is not really my bags. He's yachting. Also, we are developing lots of things very soon. I'm very excited. I can't tell you right now, but we are working on so many things, lots of work, and I'm very excited to tell you all about it. We also are going to release a podcast. It's going to be 3 videos per, we are going to film anyway, but 3 podcasts in French per month and 1 in English. Okay, guys, so I don't forget you. We are starting like this. And then if we see that you like it in English, we are going to increase the rhythm in English as well. So it's going to be like talking about entrepreneurship, working in couple, like build in public, build with your partner, talking about what's happening, success, failure, maybe inviting like some people that we really like, that are inspiring us, and answering questions. So if you have any questions related to business in couple, related to anything, we are going to answer it in the next podcast we're releasing. So it's going to be a brand new. I hope you're going to like it. We are releasing it first in French because this is our mother tongue language. So it's going to be easier for us to start. But then we are going to do 1 in English and maybe more. I don't know if this is something you would like to know and something of your interest. Let me know. And okay, so these babies, we've been to New York, so I've already released the New York City vlog just here, and I bought them there. They were unfortunately all sold out in Europe, so I had to, but I didn't want to purchase them actually. I've been influenced, voila. I've seen them everywhere on Instagram and Pinterest, etc. I was like, oh, they're very lovely, but I don't want to purchase them. I've been to New York and they were at Bergdorf and Goodman. And I'm like, maybe I should try. They're lovely. And I asked for my size. I was like, oh, this is the only size that I got, 37. So I purchased them in the end because my birthday was soon and I didn't think I would get my Cota bag at Hermes. So I was like, okay, one life, So I purchased them and it was end of March. I stored them on the side and decided to wear them for the first time, 2nd of May, I think, before my birthday. It was exactly when we went to do the pre-order with Vincent the same day. So I put them less than an hour because we just went to Louis Vuitton and came back in taxi. So I didn't walk that much. And the sole completely melted, okay? I'm going to add a photo here. It was insane. I was like, what? It's been less than an hour. So I find someone that I know that has the same. She sends me the picture of the sole. And her soles were very good, like a little bit damaged. But obviously she used to wear them like for more than 2 months, almost 1 month and a half. So I decided to go straight to the store, in the afternoon, show them, and the essay I went. Well, first I sent a message to my essay on WhatsApp, showing her what's the issue with this, what should I do? I purchased them in New York. I'm a bit worried because it's not normal. And she says I'm sorry, I'm on vacation. She's off, so I will send a message to my manager, but go in store and check with the aftercare service. I promise they're going to take care of you. So the lady, the essay I made is very nice. And she told me, oh yes, it's a little bit weird. Let me check. She takes the receipt. No issue with the fact that I purchased them in New York. And she tells me they're going to send them to the aftercare service and let me know in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks later, I received an email from the aftercare service, but in Barcelona. I thought it would be sent in France. No, it was sent to the aftercare service in Barcelona or Madrid, I don't know. She sends me an email saying there is no issue of quality on the shoes. Look at the picture. And that is probably the fact that I use them too much. These are a new style, new collection, went out less than 6 months ago. Even if you wear the shoes 6 months, it's not like this. I have another pair, it's not like this. And so and they cannot do anything and I should get them back. I was like, no way, I'm not gonna go get back my shoes until it's either change, either repaired or whatever, because there's clearly a problem of quality. I sent her like the photo of my friend that has the same, and she's like, yeah, but probably you work differently, so this is why. I was like, I work with them less than an hour, so I don't understand the point, and it's like very soft and not normal and like melted. And she's really, really insisting, like saying, no issue of quality. You should go to someone, to a shoe repair and make them repair it. I was like, I'm not going to pay for reparation. My shoes are brand new. It should not be like this. So I decided like to wait until my essay comes back from holidays. And she finally sends me like a WhatsApp herself, saying that she's gonna check with the manager because if it's not super cool. And I was like, yeah, I'm definitely not getting them back until you find a solution. I really want them. I love them, but there is this issue of quality. So she gets back to me like a few hours later saying there is apparently no issue of quality. Like the aftercare service continue to say there is no problem, but they can offer the adding a sole and reparation on these shoes, but it won't be made by Chanel directly. It's going to be some shoemaker that they trust here in Barcelona. I was like, I'm very, very not comfortable with the fact that it's not done by yourself and someone else. But in the end, I accepted because I was like, okay, I just want to wear them. I'm not going to wait winter to wear these ones. And I don't want to fight. I have other things to do, but I really kind of was ready to fight and talk to the French aftercare service, French headquarters, and blah blah blah, because this is not normal. Like, if you guys already had the issue, let us know. What did you do? Where are you from? Also, what solution did you find? But they redone everything on the sole here. They added like something, and it's good because in the end you need to do it. So it's done, but they redone like this part kind of, and I don't know. It's weird. There's like kind of. I don't know, it's weird. I'm gonna quickly wear the shoes to see if everything's fine. I'm not gonna wait 1 month to wear them this time, and let's see how it goes. But I'm kind of very, very disappointed with aftercare service, and it's not the first time. And in Spain, apparently, there is a huge aftercare service of all brands anyway. I don't know what to say, because with this type of shoes, with the price, it's completely not normal to say like it's normal. You should repair them yourself. What? Anyway, that being said, my essay was super cute. She was very nice, and she's very, 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 very well. So if you're looking for an essay at Chanel in Barcelona, she's the one. She's very the nicest, and I'm very happy to have her. She was very, very cute and here and tried to find a solution. So really the best. But very sad about the aftercare service that Chanel gives. Well, don't give. I'm still loving the shoes. This is the unfortunate point. But yeah, that is the whole story. It was a story time. If something happened similar, let us know in the comment. We want the story time also. Very curious about it. I know it's not the first time. Like, I commented it on my stories on Instagram. Here's my Instagram page. And lots of people, like at least 10 or 20 people contacted me that they had like quite similar issues and they were not able to do anything. So really, really hope they can find a solution, honestly, because with the price it is, and it's luxury, come on, it's not normal, and it should not be like this. Anyway, very happy to have them back. I can wear them. I'm gonna wear them like today, I think, and let you know soon if there is any other issue. I hope really not. And happy with my gifts. Thank you so much for commenting my other video, my Hermes unboxing as well. Thank you so much. Very happy for this very first Kuta bag. This was kind of a dream for me, I've been waiting for more than 3 years, and this is achieving some goals for me, and I'm thanking myself with this type of gifts. And anyone can gift yourself with anything that they want. We spend the money that we want to spend how we want. But this is the way I decided to spend my money, and it's not lost in any case, so it's still a good investment. I don't know. I still haven't used the bag yet. I need to use it. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, because in Barcelona it's different. I don't know. I wish I could go to Dubai right now to wear the bag every single day, because there it's completely normal to have one, and it feels not too much. So. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Thank you for being here. I hope you also enjoyed the little story time. And I will see you very soon. Bisous!